Alright, real quick video on the continuation of the HWH SMC hydraulic pump electric motor and hydraulic pump repair. The actual repair of it. So one, got the new replacement motor. I gave you in the other video the company that does it. Here's their part number, HB1300071. The only problem I found was I had to tap this hole out right here to hold the pickup tube on. It's a spring-loaded type pickup. There's that 500 brass mesh wire pickup. That's really nice. Now, the other thing is I had to knock out the old bearing. I don't know if you can see it, but it's dragging in my hands. So I had to use this one. It's 31 size. You could get a socket, knock it out. All right, I have these. Here's the part number. X000 Uniform 0 Papa Golf Kilo 5. 50-piece custom seal driver set. All right, there you go. Goes all the way up to, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 74 millimeters. There you go. All right, so the new motor, right? The new motor, the electrical part. There's the hydraulic. Remember, it broke all the gears. Remember, the gears shattered into pieces. Here's the, that was another manufacturer I put on my Facebook page and on the video. It's a model 10759. It's counterclockwise. Well, it came with its own bearing right here. So I had to knock this one out of the manifold, right, and then we'll clean it up, and then once I push this on, it'll go in there. All right, so there it is. That's the quick video. All right, you could use a socket, but remember, when you knock it out, you're only going to see this portion of it. If you had to put it in, you have to get one to fit it. See, to knock it out, see it? It was like that. To put it in, you have to catch that outer edge. So it's probably a 32 millimeter. Nope. 33. No, it's not a number 33 either. There you go. That's a little better. 34. All right. I don't think they're millimeter, folks. But a socket will work. You got to catch that outer edge to feed it in. You can see the lip right there, and there's a lip. That's where that bearing is going to rest. Now the hydraulic pump motor is right here, but it has this little coupler. Let me find it for you real quick. Right here. So that'll go on this one. That'll go in between that bearing right here. That'll go right in there and hold on to the motor. That's your coupler. Usually it's made of brass. This one's steel. Okay. Well, that was a quick video. Like I said, we're getting this back together slowly. Tap I had to use was a 6 millimeter by 1.25. All right. The old one had it. Let me show you. The old one had it. Right. I don't know if you can see the threads in there. There you go. See the threads in that hole? That's where the pickup tube was. All right, so my puppies are out in the outside barking. I got to let them back in the house. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. This is on a SMC Beaver. Monaco used it. That's the hydraulic leveling system that didn't touch the ground. It went from the frame down to the chassis suspension part. All right, but they're all the same to me, hydraulic pumps. I'm trying to teach commonality. Once again, bye-bye.